My name is Jeroen Mangelschots, and I'm the business development executive for White Raven, meaning that my job is to represent White Raven and to create the business for White Raven as a new startup company. White Raven is a startup company as a drug product CDMO, meaning that we offer GMP formulation and aseptic filling for liquid injectables, targeting clinical batches and small volume commercial batches, with a focus on flexibility for our clients. In the cell and gene therapy landscape, we often deal with smaller batches compared to maybe the blockbuster antibody projects that are out there. So when it comes to those smaller batches, it's very important that you have filling CDMOs that can handle low product losses, accurate filling, and also can be quite flexible in terms of containers so that you can fill into vials or syringes, and can meet their deadline because they want to often go fairly quickly into the clinics. So to get their product as soon as possible on the market. And with White Raven, we have the possibility of releasing a batch in under 4 months time. And also to be able to adjust and assess the different containers for our clients, and also limit the product loss to an absolute minimum for these type of projects. For the fill and finish market, so generally we can handle projects or prospects that are really interesting to work with us are the ones that actually are moving into the clinical development. So meaning the smaller batches, again, compared to the commercial filling projects, because often when they try to find a suitable fill and finish partner, the medium-sized to larger scale fill and finish CDMOs doesn't really offer the flexibility for the smaller filling batches. And for us, that's an ideal target because we have that flexibility in-house. And again, with the low product losses and the quick to market, we can address that need. Being here at Advanced Therapies, I think it's very important to network and to actually very early on start talking to short-term or long-term prospects, because in the fill and finish industry, it's trust is very important. And it's really important to actually lay the groundworks at events like this, which is a very ideal setting for that. Combined with the scientific talks, we can meet the right people for those conversations.